Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the computer-aided process synthesis. Unit number 5, energy integrated distillation process. એના પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે મલ્ટી ઇફેક્ટ ડિસ્ટિલેશન જોઈ ગયા હતા. તો નાવ ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આપણે હીટ પમ્પિંગ, વેપર રિકમ્પ્રેશન અને રીબોઇલર ફ્લેશિંગ વડે. This is the most important theory in GTO exam. Okay, 3 or 4 marks. Now start this theory. Other more sophisticated configurations part designed to increase the thermodynamic efficiency when the price of fuel is high, permit the vapor overheat to the condense with the bottom liquid from the same distillation part. Each of three configurations, heat pumping, vapor recompression and reboiler flashing, involve expensive compressions of vapor streams as recompressions, and reboiler flashing involve the expensive composition part of a vapor stream as shown in figure 10.45. The heat pump operates like a refrigeration cycle and requires an external fluid as a working medium. Okay, so in a first flow diagram, okay, this one which is the figure name, distillation configurations for a heat pumping, vapor recompression and a reboiler flashing. આ ત્રણ રેડી જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, now the other more sophisticated configurations designed to increase the thermodynamic efficiency when the price of fuel in a high, permit the vapor overheat to be condensed with the bottom liquid from the same distillation part column. Each of three configurations part, heat pumping, vapor recompressions and reboiler flashings, involve the expensive compositions of a vapor stream as in a figure. Now the heat pump operate like a refrigeration cycle and required an external fluid as the working medium. It pump available heat from a low temperature level up to a higher temperature level where it can be used more effectively. The other two configurations do not have external working fluid. Instead, they use the internal process of it to be the effective. The savings in the cost of utilities and purchase cost for the heat exchangers must be greater than the increased utility. The capital cost associated with the compressor. For a detailed analysis of the reboiler flashings configurations, which is usually the most financially attractive of, there is a three configurations part, which is usually the most financially attractive of the three configurations part. The reader is referred to example 9.4 આપણે આગળ જોઈ ગયા હતા, in which is the loss of work through dynamic efficiency are computed for the separation of propylene and propane also. Not that these configurations are most attractive for the separation of this point regarding, and the closed boiling mixture can because relatively small pressure changes are required and consequently the cost of the comparison is not to be the high. Okay, and the heat engine and heat pumps જે આપણે લાસ્ટ પોઈન્ટમાં જોઈશું. Okay, simply this is the example part. This is not important in a GT exam. Simply this is a part is important. In the previous section part, a refrigeration cycle referred to as a heat pump was introduced as one of the alternatives to permit the overhead vapors from a distillation tower to be condensed by vaporizing the bottom liquid in a heat exchanger. This design is preferable when the savings in the cost of the utilities for condensation and boiling and the purchase cost of the heat exchangers are greater than the cost of operations. and installation of a compressor part. It illustrates the use of the heat and power integrations to achieve a more profitable design. The objective of this section. Okay, now the objective of this section is to consider the general role of a heat engine which convert heat to soft work. Okay, shown in this diagram above. First figure, first one is a vapor recompression part. Simply this is a condenser, compressor valve and a reboiler. F is inlet part છે, PL valve, PH reboiler અને beta અને compressor part. Okay, simply this is a part for the vapor recompressions and the heat integrated distillation for a trains part, the this point vapor recompression. Second one is the reboiler flashings. Okay, જે આમાં પાર્ટ આપેલો છે રીબોઇલરનો પાર્ટ આપેલો છે. F inlet section part, D outlet, B bottom of the part for a compression valve and reboiler. And the distillation configurations is the three parts for a vapor compressions, heat pumping, vapor recompression part and a reboiler flashings. The last one is the reboiler flashings part. For condenser F valve, draw in a figure. Okay, this is a simple figure for a effective saving in the cost of the utilities and purchase cost for the heat exchanger must be greater than the increases part and the be greater than the increases utility capital cost associated with the compressors. For detailed analysis, reboiler flashing configurations, which is usually the most financially attractive more than ever. Okay, now the second flow diagram, draw in a notebook. Okay, now this simply discussion part is a vapor recompressions, heat pumping and a reboiler flashing mate. Othermore, this part increase the thermodynamic efficiency and the price of fuel is high, permit the vapor overhood to be the condensed with the bottom liquid from the same distillation column. Each of three part configurations, heat pumping, vapor recompression and reboiler flashing part involve the expensive compressions of a vapor stream as shown in a figure 10.45 માં આપણે જોયું. And the heat pump operate like a refrigeration cycle and required an external fluid is a working medium. In a pumps available heat from a low temperature develop a higher temperature level and they can be used more effectively. The other configurations part do not external working to be this section. Okay, first one is a draw in a figure. Okay, simply vapor recompression as part છે condenser. Okay, now this section above point this simply effective formation having saving the cost of utilities and purchasing cost for a heat exchanger must be greater than utility cost associated with the compressor for detail analysis cost reboiler and placings. Okay, for effective savings in the cost of utilities and the more formation heat exchanger must be greater than the increases part utility and cost associated with the compressors. For detail analysis for reboiler placings configurations part which is usually the most financially attractive of the three configurations. The reader is he referred to example in which the lost work and thermodynamic efficiency are not computed for this propylene and propane. Okay, મેઇન છે આપણું ફિગર પર જ છે. હવે હીટ એન્જિન અને હીટ પંપ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું. Okay, this is a main figure on this section part for a heat integrated distillation process and a heat vapor recompression and a reboiler pressings, positionings of a heat engine and heat pump વડે this figure and also this one. Okay, તો નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈશું હીટ એન્જિન અને હીટ પમ્પ્સ. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા this section part multiple effect distillation. Okay, so thank you so much. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે હીટ પમ્પિંગ. Thank you.